Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back with another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to light your pictures and photograph yourself from the comfort of your own home. Getting started, I'm back in my home studio, aka my bedroom, and I'm going to start up with my usual backdrop setup. So today I'm experimenting with colors because I got this amazing new ring light from Savage Universal. It's an RGB rainbow ring light, and I'm going to show you what I do with it. So I'm not going to be using too many props. I'm going to be starting off with a dark background, so literally just a black backdrop, which is also from Savage Universal. A lot of you ask where my backdrops are from. All of them are from Savage Universal. Just check the description box, even though I know you hoes don't read the description box. But anyway, and there we have it. So I'm gonna start off by setting up my lighting. Lighting is the focal theme and colors are the central point of this entire video. So this is the Savage Universal RGB rainbow ring light. And basically all you have to do is you just put in the batteries. So what I love about this is that you don't have to plug it into the wall. It actually has batteries. Once you do that, you can pretty much switch it on. And do you see the colors? That was blue. So it has like a rainbow. It literally has all the colors in the rainbow, as you can see. The really cool thing is you can control the ring light from your phone. All you have to do is download this app called Light Manager from Savage, and that is what it looks like when it opens. So all you have to do is connect your phone to the light via Bluetooth. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see, I'm controlling the colors of the ring light using my phone, and it's actually just that simple. It also has some pretty cool presets. You can get it to just do rainbow on itself by itself, red fades, which is just pulsating colors on the backdrop. And you can alternate between different types of presets. You have rainbows, you have fades, you have strobing lights, pulsating lights, anything that you'd like. And the really cool thing is you can also synchronize the ring light to the music you're listening to. So I was listening to Solange, and you'll see how that informs the color palette I was using. If you're not into colors, you can skip that completely, and you can actually control the warmth or the coolness of the ring light using your phone. You can also make it brighter, less bright, warmer, less warm. You can make it pulsate, you can make it strobe, you can turn it on and off using your phone. You can do all the things and you don't even have to touch it. So moving on to my setup, I'm using two ring lights. I'm using the Savage Universal one, and I'm setting it onto purple. And on the second ring light, which is just a regular ring light, I'm just using gels. So I've layered one yellow gel on top of a pink gel, and I just thought this would be the perfect color combination to go with my outfit. So here we have it. Now that I'm moving on to my second outfit, I have intentionally stuck to form-fitting outfits. So this is why I'm doing swimwear today, because I feel like when you're using colors, you don't want it to get too lost in the patterns and the textures of like the things that you're wearing. Unless that's your aesthetic. But for me, I wanted to really like focus on the colors and how it hits the skin and how it looks on different fabrics and how it blends with the background. So for my second backdrop, I'm using a light beige color, and I'm gonna actually show you how I set up my lights. So here I have the Savage Universal ring light, and I'm choosing the color that I want to go with. So I'm actually intentionally creating a rainbow effect using my phone, the Light Manager app. I'm settling on a sort of pink on the sides, on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side I'm gonna make it more like bluish purple, and you'll notice how that like really blends really well and creates a sort of rainbow effect. You can also try layer your gel on top of the rainbow light. Like, you can just get really creative with it, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This is a process of trial and error for the most part, so it's just about like seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work, and getting in front of the camera, serving your looks, and there we have it. So for my final look, I wanted to experiment with the color on top of a textured background. I've actually never shot on a textured background before, so I just wanted to see how the color would absorb. And so what I'm doing is I'm gonna get an orange backdrop, and the light I'm gonna be using is really simple. It's just pink and orange, because that will reflect a really cool like blue highlight on the highlighted parts of my face. And just got some props because I'm just using my face for this one. I ran out of outfit ideas, and this was the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below which of these looks is your favorite. The link to the lights and to the backdrops will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Sending you so much love. Follow me on Instagram to keep updated with my photography, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.